Yo guys, welcome to K-pop quiz. You have to save or draw any K-pop idol without knowing who is going to be next. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Felix from Stray Kids. Will you save him or just draw? Felix vs Junghan from 17. Wooyoung from ATEEZ. Wooyoung vs Hongjoong from the same group ATEEZ. Yeonjun vs You Don't Know What Will You Do, Save or Drop. Yeonjun vs Beomgyu from TXT. Beomgyu from TXT. Beomgyu vs Somin from TXT. Sana from Twice. Sana vs Jihyo from Twice. Hyunjin from Stray Kids. Hyunjin vs Yeonjun from TXT. Woozi from 17. Woozi vs Wonwoo from the same group 17. Round number 8. Lino, will you save him or just drop? Lino from Stray Kids. Lino vs The 8 from 17. Kai from EXO. Kai vs Jun from 17. Hyunin Kai from TXT. Hyunin Kai vs Taehyun from TXT. Hani from NewJeans. Hani vs Minji from NewJeans. Haesung from ENHYPEN, save him or just drop. Haesung vs Sunghoon from ENHYPEN. Jake from ENHYPEN. Jake vs Jay from ENHYPEN. Nikki from ENHYPEN. Nikki vs Yeonjun from TXT. Woobin from Gravity. Woobin vs Wonjin from Gravity. Jungkook from BTS, save or drop. Jungkook vs Jimin from BTS. Dami from Dreamcatcher. Dami vs Hondong from Dreamcatcher. Yeji from ITZY. Yeji vs Momo from Twice. Wheein from Mamamoo. Wheein vs Solar from Mamamoo. Somin from TXT. Somin vs Hoshi from 17. Minnie from G-Idol. Minnie vs Shuhua from G-Idol. Jisoo from Blackpink. Jisoo vs Wonyoung from IVE. V from BTS. V vs Jin from BTS. Chaewon from Le Sserafim. Chaewon vs Sakura from Le Sserafim. J-Hope from BTS. J-Hope vs RM from BTS. Changbin vs You Don't Know, Changbin from Stray Kids, save or drop. Changbin vs Sungmin from Stray Kids. Han from Stray Kids, Han vs You Don't Know, save or drop. Han vs IN from Stray Kids. San from ATEEZ, save or drop. San vs Yoonho from ATEEZ. Ricky from Zero Base One. Ricky vs Changhao from Zero Base One. Lee Seo from IVE. Lee Seo vs Gaul from IVE. Jennie from Blackpink, save or drop. Jennie vs Rose from Blackpink. Taesan from Boy Next Door. Taesan versus Woonhak from Boy Next Door. Karina from aespa, save or drop. Karina versus Giselle from aespa. Scoops from 17. Scoop versus Dino from 17. Hoshi from 17, save or drop. Hoshi versus D8 from the same group 17. Bay from Nmix, save or drop. Bay versus Lily from Nmix. Sungho from Boy Next Door. Sungho versus Lihan from Boy Next Door. Ningning from aespa, save or drop. Ningning versus Winter from aespa. Joshua from 17. Joshua versus DK from 17. Jun from 17. Jun versus Mingyu from 17. Cheryong from ITZY, save or drop. Cheryong versus Ryujin from ITZY. Daniel from New Jeans, save or drop. Daniel versus Hani from New Jeans. Onda from Everglow. Onda versus Aisha from Everglow. Matthew from Zero Base Fan, save or drop. Matthew versus Gunwook from Zero Base Fan. Bangchan from Stray Kids. Bangchan versus Subin from TXT. Shanu from Monster X. Shanu versus Juhani from Monster X. Ruka from Baby Monster, save or drop. Ruka versus Asa from Baby Monster. Kyuhyun from Super Junior, save or drop. Kyuhyun versus Yosang from Super Junior. Dahyun from Twice, save or drop. Dahyun versus Ruka from Baby Monster. Yuki from G-Idol, save or drop. Yuki versus Shuhua from G-Idol. Mimi from Oh My Girl. Mimi versus Aryan from Oh My Girl. Bam Bam from GOT7. Bam Bam versus Jin Yong from GOT7. Vernon from 17. Vernon versus Lino from Stray Kids. Lace from IVE, save or drop. Lace versus Eugene from IVE. Yuna from ITZY. Yuna versus Hein from New Jeans. Taehyun from TXT, save or drop. Taehyun versus Jun from 17. Jangmo from Gravity. Jangmo versus Serene from Gravity. Yoon from Stacy. Yoon versus Leah from ITZY. Sunu from ENHYPEN. Sunu versus Sunghoon from same group ENHYPEN. Jangwon from ENHYPEN. Jangwon versus Jae from ENHYPEN. Suho from EXO, save or drop. Suho versus Lee Chang from EXO, save or drop. Revo from Boy Next Door. Revo versus Minhyuk from BTOB. Suga from BTS. Suga versus Jimin from BTS. Eunchae from Lay Seraphim. Eunchae versus Sakura from Lay Seraphim. Lisa from Blackpink. Lisa versus Jennie from Blackpink. Heechul from Super Junior. Heechul versus Kyuhyun from the same group Super Junior. Jung Hao from Zero Base One. Jung Hao versus Han Eugene from Zero Base One. Taeyong from NCT. Taeyong versus Ricky from Zero Base One. Dahyun from Dreamcatcher. Dahyun versus Sion from Dreamcatcher.